What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Fidelity non-qualified deferred compensation plan. All right, if you've been wondering how to set up a Fidelity non-qualified deferred compensation plan, then this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one. We're not gonna waste any time at all. I'm just gonna show you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Fidelity account. You can choose to log in your Fidelity account on the online website, or you could choose to do that on the Fidelity mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you want to click on retirement and then Nqdc plans. Now there you're going to initiate the Nqdc plan setup process where you're going to need to provide the required information. Of course, that includes employer details. Next, you're going to choose the Nqdc plan options. And once that's done, you want to confirm the Nqdc plan details. You want to make sure you go over those details just to make sure they're all accurate. And once that's done, you submit that, and the plan will be set up for you. You can also monitor the plan activity right here on Fidelity. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Fidelity non-qualified deferred compensation plan. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in